Problem 3. In part A, I don't have any cross-canceling to do, so I can just multiply across. 1 times pi is pi, and 2 times 3 is 6. Final answer, pi over 6. In part B, I'll need to get a common denominator. I can think of this as pi over 1. My common denominator would be 6, so I'll multiply top and bottom by 6. That gives me 6 pi over 6 minus 1 pi over 6. And then just subtract the top. 6 pi minus 1 pi is 5 pi. Leave the bottom the same. I can't reduce, and so I'm finished. 5 pi over 6. In the third example, I'll also put a 1 here. I do see that I can do some cross-canceling. 2 goes into 4 twice. And then when I multiply across, I have 3 pi on the top, and 2 times 1 is 2 on the bottom, 3 pi over 2. Here's another addition problem, so I'll have to get a common denominator. It will be 5. Multiply top and bottom there by 5. The first one already has the 5. This then becomes 20 pi over 5. Negative 3 pi plus 20 pi is 17 pi. Bottom stays the same. I can't reduce, and so I'm finished. Mixed numbers are complicated, so I should change it to an improper fraction. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8 over 3, 8 thirds, times pi over 1. I don't have any cross-canceling to do, so just multiply across. 8 pi on the top and 3 on the bottom. Here's another addition problem. Common denominator would be 6, so I'll have to fix this one by multiplying top and bottom by 3. That gives me pi over 6 plus 9 pi over 6. Pi plus 9 pi is 10 pi. Keep the bottom the same. This time I do have some reducing I can do at the end. I have a common factor of 2 that I can divide out. Final answer, 5 pi over 3. Problem number 4. I can work this directly on the calculator. I'm looking for approximate answers rounded to 3 decimal places. The first one is 6 minus 4 pi, and that's about negative 6.566. Then we have 5 pi over 16. Again, just type it in. 0.982, rounded correctly. And then 4.67 plus 2 pi. And on the calculator, that comes out to be 10.953. Problem number 5. I'm substituting in a equals 180, trying to do the work in my head. So the first one would be 2 times 180, which is 360. Then 180 divided by 3, which is 60. Now, on the third one, I could start by doing 5 times 180, but it's much easier to divide by 2 first. 180 divided by 2 is 90, times 5 would be 450. Here, 180 divided by 4. Dividing by 4 is the same as cutting something in half twice. Half of 180 is 90, half of 90 is 45. Letter E is like letter C. I should do the division first. 6 goes into 180. 30 times 11 would be 330. And similarly on letter F, the answer will be negative. 180 divided by 18 is 10, and 10 times 17 is 170. Problem 6, we convert to mixed numbers by dividing. These are probably easy enough just to do in your head. 4 goes into 7 once, leaving me with 3 left over, and so the answer then is 1 3/4. 2 goes into 11 5 times. There would be 1 left over, so 5 1/2. Here the answer is negative. 6 goes into 25 4 times. There would be 1 left over. 4 times 6 is 24, so 1 left over. Negative 4 1/6.